Okay, we have the A-Class Mercedes 2001 model. The problem with this car is avant-garde, that I have no indicator that the lights are on, because once I switch off the car, I have to make sure that the lights are off. So it make my battery dies so many times. So the idea to put the bell, the warning bell, which will make me know that the lights are on. So first thing first, you know that the battery is here beneath the passenger seat. So I'm gonna give you the guideline what I did, because I installed the bell already. And the problem with this Mercedes that all the fuses are here. Only the fuses we have next to the steering, next to the driver side, it's only for the lights. So by default it's gonna be on, and I need a negative one that once I switch off the car, it's gonna be negative. And the problem there, like, it's all about the lights, so I need something else that doesn't connect to the lights. So I need fuse that once the car is on, it's positive. While the car is off, I need it to be negative, because the positive line of the bell is going to be connected to one of the lights fuse. So I'm going to show you exactly what to do. Okay, we open the aperture of the battery here. Okay, slide it out, take it off the way, take the foil. Okay, so here fuse number 10, which is 40 ampere. Okay, and I connect the wire to it. Just remove the fuse and put the wire beneath the fuse and switch it down. Okay, and I have to put this wire through the floor because I have no inlet between the passenger side and the driver side. Okay, so I have to put it through. How did I put it through? I'll show you now on the next video. So first thing we're gonna do to remove the cup holder and the mat beneath it, there is a screw in this place. So at this state we can take the whole panel at the back, and from this inlet you can see the light crossing from the other side. This is how we gonna extend our wire from the battery fuses going to the other side, and this side is very tight. So I tried my best to put back everything, and careful, there's the gear stick here that will go into kind of sponge hub, so careful not to break any clips because it's very fragile plastic here. Now I'm on the driver's side. I put the wire as I show you in the video before. I took it from here, I put it beneath the lining. The only place I couldn't put it exactly beneath the lining is here. Okay, here. Those are the places I couldn't really. It's very tough to remove, and I don't want to really ruin the plastic or ruin any clip. So here I put it on the edge beneath this. I slide it down beneath it up to here. Beneath it, you will see it here, exiting from here, and here you will see very small aperture. It's moving. I'll try to move it so you can see that it's moving. Here, see, it's moving, so you can put it immediately and slide it up to the fuse box, which is here. And here you will see the line. Of course I just installed it, so I'm gonna wrap it later, make it like steady and not movable by the double side sticker or whatever. And this is the bell. Here's the bell. I'm gonna show you. Wait. So here's the bell. The green line is the supposed to be negative. So I will connect it to a fuse that is positive while the car is on. But once I switch off the car, it's gonna be negative. So this is my line from the battery connected to the green line. Okay, the positive line here, the yellow one, I connected. I will save you the trouble of searching. Connected to the second one, 15 ampere. Not the first one, the second one. This fuse will be on only when the lights are on. This first one is going to be on whether the car is on or off. So always connected to the yellow line, connected to the second one. You just take out the fuse and put the wire beneath it and just push it inside. So this, I will organize all of this later once I just like go a couple of trips in the car, so to see if it's like moving and everything's working good. But in this way, if you follow the procedures, the connection in the battery side and the connection here, the green line is the one connected to the battery side, to the 40 ampere fuse, and the white one, which is the positive. Okay, and this bulb always have the one-way electricity going through it. So the electricity will never go from the positive to the negative. No, it will always go from positive to negative. It will never go the opposite side. So now once I have the car off, this one, once I have it off and the lights are off, this one will have no electricity. But once I switch on the key is in my hand, so once I switch on the lights, it will give me the noise as if I'm just to notice that I have the lights on. If I switch on now, I'll put the key and just switch on the car. No need to switch on the engine, just put it on. If you switch on you see, it won't give you anything because the negative side now it's positive, so the electricity won't go through the bulb. So this is the way I switch off the car. I will keep the lights on. I'll switch off the car exactly immediately, it will give me note. So this is how you make the alarm for the lights, any light. Of course, if you put it in the parking or the usual light, it will give you the signal. So this is how to make it in the A-Class Mercedes, the w168. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, please share it, and if you want to subscribe, it will be very nice from you. If you don't like the video, I'm just open for any further comments or advices, but it took me very long time to try really to search for the fuses, and eventually I realized that the only fuses are there next to the battery, and all of those are only for the lights. So I need it as a positive side, not as a negative side. Okay, bye bye.